Is your Tata Nexon refusing to start? Common power-related issues include a drained battery, faulty fuses, or immobilizer problems. Start by checking your battery voltage with a multimeter. A healthy battery should read above 12.6 volts. Next, inspect the fuses in the fuse box located under the dashboard for any signs of damage or breakage. Use a continuity tester to confirm each fuse is working. If the immobilizer system is preventing the start, try reprogramming your key fob using an OBD2 scanner. Remember to always disconnect the negative battery terminal first when working with electrical components to prevent short circuits. If basic troubleshooting doesn't solve the issue, try a power reset. Disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the ECU. Reconnect the battery terminals securely. Then attempt to start the vehicle. To prevent future issues, monitor battery voltage monthly using a multimeter. Clean any corroded battery terminals, especially in humid climates. Be mindful of parasitic loads, such as leaving the infotainment system active. Consider using a battery isolator switch, particularly if the vehicle is not used frequently. In hybrid models, occasional 48-volt battery resets might occur, which can be resolved with firmware patches through Tata service centers. Keep in mind that if problems persist, contacting Tata customer care at 1-800-209-8282 or consulting a certified technician is recommended.